Hello, everyone. I'm Clover.
Let it down,
I went to the stream today to get some shrimp.
A few minutes later.
let's go home.
Wow, these shrimp are really fresh and delicious. Remove the heads of the shrimp. Then peel the shrimp shells. Now let's prepare the ingredients for the dish. First, chop the garlic into small pieces. Next is the ginger. After which come the tomatoes. And finally, the onions. Put the garlic and ginger into a blender. Blend for 5 minutes. Next, let's move on to the cooking part. Put butter in the pot. Add onions. Stir the ingredients together. Do the same with the tomatoes. Add a bit of ginger. The essential seasonings for this dish are garam masala, cumin powder, turmeric powder, salt, and water. Finally, the shrimp. Stir the ingredients together. Add a bit of milk, parsley leaves. Okay, done. Next, we'll cook the rice. Put the rice in a bowl. Then add water until it covers the rice. Alright, it's time to cook the rice. We'll cook it for 30 minutes. Wow, the uncooked rice has become cooked rice. I'm so hungry. It's time to eat. It's delicious. I might finish all the rice with shrimp curry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Mini Yummy love you.